Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of May? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month, then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. ChatGPT nailed almost all the guesses last month. They only missed out on one, which was Bitcoin. So we're going to take a look and see if it can rebound and get every single guess correct this month. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is for Bitcoin. We're guessing the price of Bitcoin for May 2026. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around 68,500. Look back at Bitcoin's historical performance in May since it first launched. Has May usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for May 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, and we officially have our answer from ChatGPT. When asking, this may normally been more positive or negative. It seems like it's really neither. It slightly leans towards the negative, so keep that in mind for May. But now let's get to the answer. The bullish guess, 75,900, range 73,800 to 77,800. The bearish guess, 62,400, range 60,800 to 64,200. And finally, the official guess. This is the guess that matters. This is the guess that everything gets ranked off of, the official guess. 69,800, range 67,900 to 71,700. And there you have it, guys. The official answers from ChatGPT. Let me know what you guys think. Are you more on the bullish side, the bearish side? Do you agree with the official guess? Or are you somewhere else, maybe thinking 100,000 at the end of May or 10,000 at the end of May? Let me know in the comment section below. I really am interested. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair. And I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Futures here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin rising, walls are crashing. Freedom's calling, money's flashing.